We all had a laugh when we first saw Terminator. Arnie was coming back from the future. He was a robot without personality and was set on murdering someone. But by Terminator 3, some aspects seemed scarily believable. We learnt that humans did create artificial intelligence and enabled robots to think for themselves. Then they turned on us when they realised they were more advanced and powerful and could not be beaten. Yikes! Robots have been around for a long time, just in more basic formats. We use them for mining, bomb disposal, manufacturing and space exploration. These machines are under the control of humans, but this will change. The limitation has been computing speed, and with the advent of things like quantum computers, the ability to give a machine artificial intelligence is now real. Is a self-driving car a robot? Essentially, yes. Daimler's truck highway pilot technology works like a plane's autopilot. It controls the speed of the truck, its position on the road, and to other vehicles. It alerts the driver to take control if the system deems it cannot safely navigate the truck. Most experts believe that autonomous vehicles will reduce road deaths, but are humans willing to accept people dying because of a robot's mistake? Artificial intelligence has limitations, and so the aspect of trust plays an important role. We accept that a bank ATM will give us the right amount of cash. But would we trust an AI bot to provide us medical advice about an illness? Or what about Amazon's Alexa that accidentally recorded a conversation of a family in Portland, Oregon, and sent the recording to the husband's work colleagues? How many of you now put a bit of tape over your mobile phone's camera because you believe it could be recording you at any time? So what can we do as developers of AI to watch out for these issues? If you're on an AI project team, what questions would you ask? You would start with identifying the overall benefits the AI aims to deliver. Right at this point, you may pick up on unintended outcomes that you need to consider further. You then need to agree on how to measure these benefits. This is an area that many organisations don't do well because they don't set up clear starting measures before releasing products. What is the human interface with the technology? Does the process require human intervention, and when and how will that work? Does the organisation need to keep on skilled staff as a contingency or bring in new people to manage what is now a complex technology product? The other key area of focus is risk management. The developers need to carefully consider everything the AI can do and where it could do things they don't want it to. In the example of Amazon, the company claimed that it was a series of small errors in how Alexa had interpreted the couple's conversation. Words in the conversation triggered the AI to record it, and other command words then caused it to email that conversation out to other people who didn't need it. The problem here is, again, trust. If Alexa does this by accident, then it can easily do this with a targeted computer virus. Or do we trust Amazon not to send us advertising for products that Alexa listened to us discuss in our home? To recap, AI is here to stay, so don't try to avoid it affecting you. In the near future, you may well be part of a project that involves deployment of AI technology, so you need to consider several key questions in the development and implementation phases. The robots are not ready to take over, and Arnie is not coming for us anytime soon. But building trust in the community to accept AI is going to be a challenge, and if AI products breach that trust, companies will take a reputation hit. The same applies internally in organisations. To introduce AI is a change project. As a leader, you will need to convince employees to see the benefits and welcome the change. You want them not to fear AI, but see how processes can be better managed, thus freeing up time for employees to do more value-adding tasks.